Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan everybody, me name Kadeen Marshall and this is Wagwan with the news in the Jamaican language. Yesterday, 643 somebody test positive for the coronavirus. On top of that, 18 somebody dead from the virus between September 1 and September 4. Some of the workers them at the Bellevue Hospital in Kingston text sick with the coronavirus. As according to Clifton Brown, or the president for the Jamaica Workers Union, some of the workers them who are work in the corona ward are fair work in other part of the hospital, and this not right. Mr. Brown never said how much of the workers them have the virus, but him say enough. The hospital them in the country are going to get more oxygen cause one big shipment are coming out the country tomorrow. Last week, all of the public hospital them been said them are run out of oxygen. Some report come out say 8 people dead because no oxygen never there at the hospital them. But the Ministry for Health said them a look if the lack of oxygen cause the people them for dead. The Portland police said them asked 2 men for carrying themselves to them. The man them are Darren Johnson, who people call Tall Man, who come from Wayne Road in Port Antonio, Portland. The other man, at 22 years old, Andrew Bennett, who people call Bad Ag, who come from Bambrook Road in Port Antonio. The police said Johnson and Bennett can help them with one case where broke in a shop gone, shot somebody out of spite, and for have gun and gunshot where them not have no license fee. The police said the 2 men must carry themselves today at the Port Antonio police station. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that a Wagwan with the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.